Hey, what's up, pilots? It's been a while. I've just come back from vacation, and yeah, during that tail end, I actually caught a cold. Can't even hear out of my left ear still. It's been 5 days since I've gone off the flight, but wanted to create a video still for y'all because I miss flying when I was out on vacation. I built myself a Flybe 20 using spare parts that I've had. So it's just from Flywoo. It's basically a fly lens without the prop guards, but they do have prop guards you can add. And yeah, I actually took it out and doing my first ever city building dive. So take it in because this is my first and last, and I'll tell you why it's last after. Awesome. So yeah, first building dive and last because even though I picked a public holiday, that's why there's no one there. It's just not my jam. I mean, I don't want to be a reckless flyer. I mean, I'm a hypocrite because here I am out here flying. It's a check mark off the bucket list, so I'm happy with that. So next up, nearby, there's a bunch of these bike racks that have formed like an awesome Gap City challenge, I guess, that I want to do. And, I just want to fly through all of these rings successfully. I've been working on it with the Air 65 and, I just wanted to up the challenge by flying through with a larger drone. So this is with the Flybe 20 that I created. So get close, but don't quite get it done. I'll be coming back to this spot and hoping to fulfill this challenge. Look at that freaking choke at the end there. I could have kept going, but it just got in over my head about it. So, yeah, that's kind of it. I'll try multiple times and fail. But one of the things that I want to do is I'll have a upcoming video at some point about tuning, because I do need to tune this Flybe. And then there's another drone that I'm building as well, the Mob 8, that needs some tuning too. I find that there's a lot of oscillations when I'm like either throttling up or doing some dives where I drop down. So it's a good time for me to walk over how I'm going to attempt tuning. I am no expert, and I am just going off of all the videos that either from Barbwell or Rosser, and I will attempt to tune out the oscillations that I see on my drone. So that'll be what's coming up next. Other than that, I'm probably gonna make a video about the vacation I took. I actually went to Europe and visited different parts of Europe along the Mediterranean coast, since we took a cruise along there. I didn't take a drone because I kind of didn't want to deal with any of the regulations, and also on a cruise ship they're pretty sensitive about taking on quote-unquote explosive materials, which I'm pretty sure light bulbs fall under. So just felt like it was better, but better to leave it alone. But I did take my 360 camera, so yeah, and a long ass stick so that I could pretend to be a drone. So I'll have that kind of footage up next, and I'm just gonna post it on the same channel. If you're not interested, just skip it. It's all good. It's kind of just to document for myself and for my friends to see. So you know, if it ain't your jam, just feel free to skip. I don't, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, with that, I'll just let this video play out, and yeah, thanks for watching. Later.